Programming, a comprehensive overview. Programming is the process of giving instructions to computers to perform specific tasks. These instructions are written in a particular programming language and then translated into a format that the computer can understand and execute. Programming has a wide range of applications and is used in software development, web development, game development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and many other fields. Programming skills are becoming increasingly important in today's digital world and offer numerous career opportunities. At a beginner level, it's often recommended to start with easily learnable languages like Python, but as you progress, you can use a variety of languages and specialize in different areas. Programming languages are designed to perform different types of tasks and vary in complexity. Some popular programming languages include Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, Ruby, and Swift, each with its unique syntax and use case. Programming typically involves algorithm design and problem-solving skills. Programmers identify a problem, determine the necessary steps to solve it, and then code those steps using a programming language. This process may involve debugging and optimizing the code for efficiency. Programming is an evolving field, constantly updated with new technologies and languages. For beginners, it's important to learn basic programming concepts and syntax of a specific language. As you advance, gaining in-depth knowledge and experience working on complex projects becomes essential. Additionally, staying open to continuous learning and self-improvement is crucial in programming, as rapid changes in technology may require acquiring new skills. In summary, programming is a versatile skill with diverse applications across various industries. Whether you're interested in software development, data science, or artificial intelligence, programming offers endless opportunities for innovation and problem-solving. With dedication and continuous learning, anyone can become proficient in programming and contribute to shaping the future of technology.